Wait till the car passes. All right, hi, we've made it. We're here to talk about our cool season vegetables and crops to grow here in Las Vegas. Let's go take a look. Right quick, we eat the roots of, say, like garlic, onions, radish, beets. We eat the stems of asparagus. We eat the leaves of cabbages, lettuce, things like that. And we eat the flower buds of broccoli and cauliflower. And we eat the fruit of peas, beans, things like that. First up, garlic. This is just a garlic from a grocery store, especially if you can get it like on sale. Just break them apart. This one's been planted like say about 2 weeks ago. Pops right back up. End of the growing season. This is gonna die down and then we're gonna be able to harvest a brand new whole thing of garlic. Also, we can do onions at this time. All right, this is a Walla Walla onion. Certain plants need a certain temperature and also a certain amount of sunlight and darkness to produce best. Another one would be, radishes. We're gonna be just eating the root of it. We're not gonna be concerned about the top, but research it and see if we can actually eat the leaves on these too. Another one would be beets, but they didn't have any beets at the nursery when I went down to go get them. But beets are great because within like a month, you can be ready to harvest. All right, asparagus. We're not eating the roots on these. We are actually eating the stems when they're coming up. This is like a little guy, so we're not concerned about that. But we're gonna do a separate video about the asparagus, but the whole point right now is that we actually eat the stems when they come up in the springtime. All right, and now we have the leafy stuff, okay? We like using romaine lettuce. Lots of lettuce will actually get like say a head on them to harvest it. So it's like once you get the head growing on it, you can do that. But most of the time, you can probably still use like the leafy parts of it, kind of like say with a pak choy. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, pak choy. Yeah, you see that? This is an interesting thing. Maybe we'll discuss this in a little bit. Cabbage, pak choy. Is it actually a cabbage? Is it in the cabbage family? Are they related? More than likely, yes. And then going on to our next one, cauliflower and broccoli. All right, we're not eating the leaves on these. What we're actually eating is modified flower parts of it, or flower buds on them. And weirdly enough, the botanical name on these are called brassica. And genetically, they are the same plant, which goes kind of like how I was saying, this says cabbage pak choy. I'm gonna have to research that. But this is the whole idea that, you have broccoli, greener flower buds on it, cauliflower, white flower buds. Very, very interesting. All right, and lastly, we can do some peas, climbing peas. These are snow peas. Again, all this is available down at Star Nursery, I know that for sure. And probably at Lowe's and Home Depot, they'll probably be carrying some cool season plants. All right, that sums it up. Just cool season, fruits and vegetables that we can use. Most of vegetables, you can get in that whole debate. What is a vegetable? What is a fruit? Tomatoes are fruits, sorry. Peas and carrots. One is a fruit, the other is a root. I didn't mention carrots, but I didn't have anything. They didn't have any down there at Star, so. Plus, it all goes back to like what you like to eat. I don't really like eating carrots. When I was a little kid, yeah, I would eat them all the time. I'd pluck them out of the ground, pretend that I was Bugs Bunny. Dirt and all, yes, I would do that. but what I preferred was strawberries. Yeah, me and one of my friends, we would go into his father's strawberry patch. It was on like about maybe 5 acres. You're not gonna miss, 2 young boys eating strawberries in a small area of a huge 5-acre strawberry patch, really? Are you? Maybe.